Hi, Chris from ECUMaster USA Support. Today I'm going to show you how to activate a second fuel pump relay in the EMU Classic. In the left parameters panel, expand Outputs. Select any one of the parametric outputs. For username, we'll call this FP2 for fuel pump 2. Assign the output that's connected to the relay. We'll select aux1. The variable type will likely be for map. For the operator, greater than. For the value, we'll put 200 kPa so it can activate when map is greater than 200 kPa. 10 for hysteresis is fine. And you can make permanent and save, and the fuel pump will activate when map is greater than 200 kPa. Hope that helps. Have a great day.